Hey guys, this is Rahul from Gadget Leap, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Chrome OS Flex on your PC and laptop. Before we begin, these are the minimum system requirements for installing Chrome OS Flex. Now let's get started. The very first thing you have to do is open the Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. Next, search for the Chromebook recovery utility and install it on your Chrome browser. Now plug your USB drive into your PC and open the Chromebook recovery utility. After that, click on the Get Started. On the next page, click on the Select a Model from a List option. Under a manufacturer, select the option that says Google Chrome OS Flex, and under Product, choose the Chrome OS Flex and then click on Continue. On the next screen, select the USB drive on which you want to install Chrome OS Flex and then click on Continue. And finally, click on the Create Now and it will start creating a bootable Chrome OS Flex recovery image. This process can take anywhere around 20 minutes to 60 minutes depending on your internet speed and computer hardware. Once the recovery media is completed, restart your computer and keep pressing the boot key until your BIOS boot menu appears. If you don't know the boot key of your computer, check out this table. Now on the boot screen, select the USB drive while using the arrow key and hit enter. Within a few seconds, the Chrome OS Flex logo followed by the welcome screen will appear. After that, click on the Get Started and you will get two different options. The first option will install Chrome OS Flex on your device. Use this option if you want to make Chrome OS Flex the main operating system on your PC or laptop. This option will also wipe out your entire hard disk, so make sure you back up all your data before choosing this option. The second option is for those people who want to try Chrome OS Flex first before installing it on their main PC. This will run Chrome OS Flex from the USB drive. Once you have selected the option, go through the on-screen instruction and sign in with your Google account. And there you have it, the Chrome OS Flex running on your old computer. That's it for now guys. Let me know in the comment section whether this video helped you or not. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tech related videos.